Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this giant cocoa bomb that looks like an ornament. So keep watching. The first thing we need to do is start off with some candy melts. I'm using green. You can use whatever color you like. I just think green is a little more festive. We want to melt this down, microwave 30 seconds at a time. Now that our chocolate is melted down, what we're going to do is bring in our half circle mold. This is a large half circle mold. I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below so you can get yours. Now we're not going to make this solid, it has to be hollow, so we're just going to fill up enough in there to cover the whole half circle. Now just pour out a good amount of that chocolate into your mold. And we're just going to take our spoon and spread it around nice and evenly. If your chocolate's really runny, you can just turn it around a little bit and it'll fill the sides. At this point, we're going to let this firm up. Now that that's all firmed up, what I've done was melt down some more green chocolate, and I'm going to put some, but mostly up around the lip part, because that's where we're going to join them together, and I want that to be nice and solid. Let that firm up. I've also melted down some yellow candy melts, and I have a silicone cupcake liner. We're going to use that to go on top, and that will help it make it look like an ornament. Put some yellow candy melts in there. And we're going to do the same thing. Just spread it around. And let that firm up. Now our chocolate is hardened up. We're going to remove it from the mold carefully. And because I only have one mold, I have to use the same mold to make another half. So I'm going to put that on some wax paper. I'm also going to take out the yellow one we did, which is going to go on top. You'll see how it works out. Careful not to break it. There are parts of it that's really thin. And when that's all done, we're just going to melt down some more chocolate and do the exact same thing with the mold. Next, I've melted down some green candy melts, and what I'm going to do is draw the little loop that holds an ornament on the tree, kind of like what you hang it on there for. And I'm just going to draw it on some wax paper and let it harden up. I'm going to draw it kind of thick because this is going to be a large one. We're really not going to pick it up by that. It's just for decorations. And let this harden up. This one's hardened up. We're going to just release it from the mold a little bit, but I'm not taking it out because it will be nice having something to hold it in place when we're putting the other one on top. If you take it out and try to match the two sides, it's going to be much harder to control it, and it's round, so it'll roll all over the place. Now I just have some hot cocoa mix. I'm going to pour it into the bottom part. Since this is large, it's going to take a lot. Now that it's filled with cocoa, we're going to take some more melted green and go around the top part here. Try to get it on the part that'll match up. Carefully take our other half, line it up. At this point, we're going to take our yellow chocolate and put it on top like that. And all you gotta do, again, take some of our green chocolate again, melt it, put that green chocolate on there. It's gonna go right in the middle here. Just like that. Now we're gonna take our loop. I am gonna heat one side over a frying pan and use that to stick it onto the top. All right, we're gonna put our loop on. Now we're ready to remove this from the mold. Be very careful because, like I said, it's round, it'll roll around. So do take your time. We're going to clean this up. I just heated this up a little bit and go around the spot. You can also just trim it if you want. Okay, now we're just going to put our cocoa bomb into our hot milk and watch it do its magic. Oh, look at that. And it's breaking open nicely. There we go. And as that chocolate melts, you can see more of it. And just mix it all up, and you have a giant thing of cocoa. And now for a taste test. No, I'm using my tiny spoon. So good. Be sure to share it with everyone in your family. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this giant cocoa bomb that looks like an ornament. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. You get new videos all the time. Check out this video right here, and I'll see you next time. And let that firm... Now I just have some... At this point, we're going to take our upside down yellow cupcake. No.